Malawi Today.
Professor angomaliza kumene kulankhula. Your Excellency, we must congratulate you for a very beautiful rally today.
Thank you. Thank you.
What?
Thanks for coming.
Thank you very much. When you see huge crowds like these, what comes to your mind?
You know, it's amazing. I really have to say, I have to say it's amazing. I just didn't expect this kind of crowd in the central region. Especially now, I'm used to in Kasungu and the Lakeshore area, but this is something else. This is something else.
For the first time, you have commented on those that are doubting that you can finish a 5-year term. Yeah. Why was this important to you? You spoke very passionately about this.
But they're trying to discourage people from voting for me. Okay. All these UTM people, they're trying to discourage people from voting for me. So I want to make it very, very clear that I'll finish the term. They'll be surprised. They'll be surprised. In a banja tumati nkulukuta moyo. Mazo nkulukuta moyo.
Ino ni nkulukuta moyo?
Nkulukuta moyo, yeah.
Nkulukuta moyo ndi jani?
Ndikuti munthu amakan tai.
Mchije wamu, Your Excellency, munabwera kuno kuntandire Central Region, huge crowds. Zimene zikupatsani zikulimbikitsani mota.
Well, it's encouraging me kuti anthu andira. I was surprised, especially Patanki Paja, last Tuesday. So it was only 1 day notice in America. We could team up a minute Paja very late from now on to America. It's just incredible. And then Kasungu, we didn't even plan to stop there. I didn't even know we were supposed to stop. They just told me, let's take a look. There might be people there. Kudwangwa and Belvon, Korogot, and so on. And of course here, this is a climax, so I never expected.
Kwanthawi yoyamba mwachita comment za kuthekera kwanu kochita komaliza 5-year term ngati Malawi atakusankhani. Kunali kofunika bwanji kuti muchite comment zimene zikuchokera kuti zimene?
As I said here, because I said it because
Mchije wangu.
So we not anana kuni ndika mwezi umozi. Then after 1 month, there was a vice president, and the vice president Akawachapunda, and they side people like Chapunda. He knows I'm going to train a region. I'm going to resent Chapunda. So it is just politics. Why is it stupidity? There's no way Muntu couldn't grant Chile and then give up on a present for.
So mulindi mhamvu zo maliza 5-year term.
I think so. Okay. I think so. I used to be a wrestler, you know. I can wrestle it down. Okay. I know you're only 44, but I can wrestle it. I can use for 44. Yes.
We want Paumalizira Mwauza Zotana Malawi, and they haven't made up their mind.
No, I tell them that there's hope, that we are serious. We have plans for the country. I didn't mention here. The rescue plan is finished. I've been working with it with local business people, local economists, international community, both official and private international community. The plan is over. Ready to implement from 16 September.
Mavuto a forex, mavuto a fertilizer, mavuto a zakudya.
The first one will be forex. Okay. Secondly, the debt restructuring. Ngongoi must manage. We are paying out every month so much money. All the money that comes from MRA, from Ngongole, domestic and international. So we do forex and we manage the debt. And then we'll go to others. And certainly the impulse is one of the...
How we are detailed. We want to thank you for granting us this opportunity to talk to you, and we wish you well, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much. Thanks for coming, and God bless.
Amenewo Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika kumaliza kulankhula pano pa Mtandire.